Hello guys, welcome back to Kitchentastic. Hope you're doing well. Today we are going to make an extremely addictive, super delicious and tantalizing dessert. Yes, that's correct. That is Gulab Jamun. This is also a great dessert to celebrate upcoming Eid with love. Let's get started. I have simplified this Gulab Jamun making process in 3 simple steps. Step 1, we will be making of koya dumplings. In step 2, we'll be making a sugar syrup. And the final step 3, we are going to fry our dumplings. Ingredients for making of Gulab Jamun. We are going to use koya thickened milk, sugar, maida flour, milk, cardamom powder, ghee, clarified butter and lastly oil. Let's rock. Take koya thickened milk in a bowl and add 2 spoons of maida flour to it. I'm going to use my chefy hands. Mix it well guys, twist and turn with lots of love and affection. Keep going, mix it well. We are about to give it a shape. One last go, keep going. Now it's time to add milk. Yes, we are going to add milk to the koya paste. Ensure that the milk absorbs in the koya well. Keep mixing, mix it well. We could add an extra spoon of maida flour to the koya thickened milk paste to get the thickness so that we can easily roll our dumplings. Wow, look at that texture of koya thickened milk paste. Now it's time to add some ghee clarified butter to give that extra sense of aroma. Yes, we are going to mix it again. Twist and turn. The more we mix, the better ingredients are blended. This makes it more tasty and super delicious. One more round of ghee. You're gonna love this. This is gonna enhance the flavor of our dumplings. Mix it well till it absorbs and then we are gonna rest it for a while. We'll keep it for half an hour and then again now it's time to make some rolls. Give this koya paste your best circle round balls like dumpling shape. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow, my jamun balls are ready. Now we are at step 2. Step 2 would be of making sugar syrup. Add sugar to the heated bowl. Then pour water. Mix it well. Let it dilute well in the water until the syrup boils. While you see the syrup is boiling, it's time to add some cardamom powder to give that richness in the taste. Give it a nice mix and turn the flame off. Now we are at our final step. Yay, this is very easy. Add oil to the heated pan and 2 spoons of ghee, clarified butter, and then add your koya thickened milk balls for frying. Keep checking, stir well until slightly brown. Shift the fried dumplings to the sugar syrup. Let it cool and we are ready to serve your loved ones. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you have enjoyed this simple 3-step Gulab Jamun recipe which is very delicious. Please follow me on Instagram at cookwithib and YouTube channel Kitchentastic. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell icon to receive the latest notifications. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.